Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best robot vacuums of 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best robot vacuums of 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop. Smarter, stronger, cleaner. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni redefines home cleaning with its powerful blast, 16,600 pascals suction, effortlessly removing dirt, debris, and pet hair from all floor types. Equipped with the revolutionary OZMO roller mopping system, it instantly self-washes and dries its mop pads to prevent cross-contamination and leave your floors spotless. Its advanced triple lift system automatically adjusts the mop and brushes to seamlessly transition between carpet and hard floors. ZeroTangle 3.0 technology prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, making it ideal for pet owners. Powered by industry-leading AI and TrueMapping 2.0, the X9 Pro precisely navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and mapping multiple floors with ease. The Omni station offers fully automated self-emptying, self-cleaning and mop washing, ensuring hands-free maintenance. Voice assistant compatibility and app control make scheduling and customizing your cleaning effortless. Whether you're home or away, the DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni guarantees an intelligent, thorough and hygienic clean, every time. Upgrade your lifestyle with ECOVACS, where innovation meets convenience. Number 2. Experience powerful and intelligent cleaning with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni, the ultimate robot vacuum and mop combo. Featuring an incredible 18,000 PA suction, it easily lifts dirt, dust, pet hair and debris from both carpets and hard floors. Its advanced OZMO roller mopping system ensures thorough, streak-free cleaning with real-time self-washing, keeping your floors spotless. The X8 Pro Omni takes hygiene to the next level with 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, eliminating up to 99.99% of bacteria while preventing odor buildup. It also includes automatic cleaning solution mixing, ensuring every mop cycle is fresh and effective, no manual intervention needed. With cutting-edge TrueMapping 2.0 navigation and intelligent obstacle avoidance, it maps your home with precision and adapts to any layout. The hands-free Omni station handles self-emptying, self-cleaning and mop drying, so you can truly set it and forget it. Perfect for pet owners and busy households, the DEEBOT X8 Pro Omni delivers superior cleaning performance and unmatched convenience, all in one sleek futuristic device. Make your home effortlessly clean every day. Number 3. Mova P10 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. Experience next-level cleaning with the Mova P10 Pro Ultra, featuring an industry-leading 13,000 PA suction that effortlessly lifts dirt, debris, and pet hair from all surfaces. This all-in-one robot vacuum and mop includes 140-degree F hot water auto mop washing and drying, ensuring a hygienic clean every time. The dual-spinning extendable mop reaches deep into corners and along edges, while the 10.5 mm mop lifting intelligently avoids carpets during mopping. Equipped with advanced navigation and smart mapping, it adapts to your home's layout for precise, efficient cleaning. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra delivers powerful performance with minimal effort. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, or anyone who values a truly spotless home. Let the Mova P10 Pro Ultra do the hard work. Your floors have never been this clean. Number 4. Introducing the Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the ultimate cleaning companion for modern homes. With a powerful 8,000 PA suction, this intelligent robot deeply cleans carpets, hard floors and edges with ease, picking up dust, debris and pet hair without hassle. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function ensures your floors are not only clean but also spotless and polished. Say goodbye to daily maintenance thanks to the Bagless self-emptying station that holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris, perfect for busy households. Its anti-hair-tangling brush is specially designed to minimize maintenance and keep suction strong, even in homes with pets. Equipped with smart mapping technology, the E20 Plus navigates with precision, avoiding obstacles and adapting to your floor plan. You can easily control and schedule cleanings via app or voice assistant. Compact, quiet, and efficient, the Eureka E20 Plus gives you more time to focus on what matters. Experience a new level of clean with powerful performance and smart convenience, all in one sleek device. Number 5. Eureka J15 Ultra Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum is your ultimate cleaning companion, combining power, precision, and smart automation. With an impressive 19,000 PA suction, it effortlessly lifts dirt, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. The innovative FlexArm mop design reaches tight corners and edges for a deeper clean, while the 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing dissolves stubborn stains and ensures hygienic mopping. Drying is quick and sanitary with 131 degree F hot air drying, preventing odors and mildew. The smart AI obstacle avoidance system navigates your home with precision, avoiding cords, toys, and furniture with ease. Plus, the self-emptying dustbin ensures hassle-free maintenance, letting you enjoy a cleaner home for weeks without lifting a finger. Compatible with app and voice control, the Eureka J15 Ultra adapts to your schedule and preferences, making cleaning effortless and efficient. Whether you're a pet owner or a busy professional, this robot vacuum is designed to keep your home spotless and fresh, automatically. Upgrade your cleaning routine with cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance.